Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get this eye look as well as swatch all the lip colors in the new Kourtney x Kylie collection. I do have all 3 palettes right here. I am obsessed. This is crazy. I am so excited to share this with you guys. I didn't end up getting it the first go round, and now that I have it, I'm excited to share it with you guys. The whole collection comes with 3 little palettes and then 3 lip colors in the collection for $108. You can definitely get everything separate in its own little bundle. You can definitely get the blue palette with the blue lipstick, or the pink palette and the pink lipstick, green palette with the green lipstick, and so forth. So that is also up to you guys. So subscribe, stay on my channel, watch a couple of older videos that I have on here as well. And then also be sure to hit the share button and the like button on here as well. If you guys are excited to see this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the share button if you guys want more videos like this. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the glam. Whole Kourtney x Kylie collection. I am super duper excited. It has 3 palettes and 3 liquid lips, so I'm excited to share these with you guys. The first round they went out, I wasn't able to get them, so this time I got them. I already have my brows done. I already have everything on. I already have my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer already as my primer. So you do get 3 eyeshadow palettes with the collection if you buy the whole thing. This one is the green collection. The green, it's super duper cute. Blob Kebab, Matcha, Mace, and Heartless. This one has my favorite packaging. It's the blue palette. It reminds me of water, and it's amazing. I love it, and I don't want to get rid of the packaging for it. Here's this palette, and this one has gorgeous colors. 1944, Calabasas, In the Rain, and Bible. And this one is the most lightest out of all of them. This one is the pink palette, and this is what this one looks like. It's super pretty as well. I love that it's all holographic. Here is this palette right here. Diamond, Diamond up here, the Queen, Polish, and gluten-free down here. Honey, let's zoom you in and let's do some shadows. I'm gonna take the pink palette and I'm gonna take the Queen. I have a little bit of like kick up, if you can see that. Looks really pretty. Oh wow, I like that color. And then taking the blue palette, I'm gonna take the color Calabasas. I feel like I'm always going in that route. So pretty. Going back with the other color, and I'm just gonna buff that out a little bit more. Make sure that one doesn't get lost. I'm gonna say we're gonna skip the green palette for today just because these colors are really pretty, but they're not for the kind of look that I'm going for today. Like this green and this red is beautiful. These 2 taupey colors are pretty, but those are not what I'm trying to go for today. I have a lot of like kick up, which some people may like, some people may not like, but I'm just letting you know the tea, honey. And then why not, we'll deepen it up with the color Bible up here, picking this like on the lash line first, and then we'll deepen it up with the outer corner, just to give us that like smoky lash look. Wow, I like that a lot. The Queen, I'm gonna take the Queen on the lid, honey. I'm not gonna use any setting spray, but if I will, I will. I'm just not gonna go in with it firsthand. Again. Oh snap, yeah. It's gorgeous on its own, but it's like a nice little glitter. If you use setting spray with this shadow, it'll make it super pop, and I love it. I'm gonna apply this if you can where you didn't apply the other shadow. I'm gonna go back in with Calabasas just to define the crease a little bit more. Then I am gonna go back a little bit with Bible. That's a cute moment. I'm gonna take that same color Bible on the lower lash line. The thing with these shadows, I don't see any fallout, which is amazing. I see it, you get kick up in the palette for sure, but I don't see it like fall out on my face. Okay, and then I'm taking Calabasas and I'm just gonna smoke it out. For the inner corner, I think I'm gonna take the color Diamond up here and the pink palette, and maybe a little bit of this one, which is Poosh. I love her. She's a cute moment. I like this a lot. Going to apply my lashes and I will be right back so we can do the lip swatches. Alrighty guys, so I have applied my lashes. They have been a struggle for me, and why? Because they were a little long. And so now I cut them, so now they feel better. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's look at the lips. So we have 3 lips with each of the palette, I guess. This one is Mini. Rad. I think this is for Rain something. And this one is French Kiss. I love the components of these. They're so cute. Let's go ahead and apply lightest to darkest like we usually do. I'm gonna apply my Kylie lip liner in Malibu. Apply French Kiss first. I think they're all matte. They're velvets. Oh, actually, I've never tried a velvet. This one is French Kiss. I'll let it dry, and then we'll go over lip liner. I don't think these dry matte though. Here is French Kiss. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly take off this lipstick and I will apply the second one. So far I like this lip color. It's a little light, but if you use a dark lip liner, I think it'll work perfect. French Kiss, now that it has dried down, it's a little darker. It's super nice. It's like a beautiful nude. I love the way that it looks. This is Mini, and she's like a nice coral kind of color, I think. I love her. She's so cute. She definitely goes with my skin tone so nicely. Okay. Okay. I love these kind of colors. I don't know how to call them, but I love them. Last but not least, I'm gonna take the color Rad, and she's a gorgeous, like, hot orange. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Is a hot fire gorgeous lip. This is definitely the pop of color in the entire collection, and I love it. It looks so good. It's like a beautiful lip color. I love these kind of colors. That is the entire 3 liquid velvet lipsticks from the Kourtney and Kylie collection. So what are my thoughts on the entire collection? I didn't end up using this palette entirely just because this one had some shades in here that I didn't think that would go with my look for today. They are really pretty. I'm not gonna lie, they're super duper pretty, but I don't think it would gone with this look per se. These two palettes are really nicely. I did use both of them. I love the mattes. It does have some kick up in the palettes, but that doesn't bother me as long as it performs very well on the eyes. And as you can see, it's amazing. Loved it. And then the shimmers, again, I would recommend you just kind of wetting your brush before you go in with the shimmers, and it looks absolutely flawless. The lip colors are definitely my favorite thing out of the entire collection, just because they are beautiful, they are stunning, they are non-drying, they're the velvet formula, and I love the way that they look. And they're all really different, and they're all really pretty for the summer, my personal opinion. So I love the entire Kourtney and Kylie collection. This whole collection was $108 if you buy the whole bundle itself. So you get the 3 palettes and the 3 liquid lipsticks for $108. If you know Kylie's prices, I think this is a great deal because you get 3 little palettes and you get 3 lipsticks. I definitely would recommend you guys to go ahead and get this collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more videos. So subscribe, stay on my channel, watch a couple of older videos that I have on here as well. And then also be sure to hit the share button and the like button on here as well. And yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you on the next one. Bye!